Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Welcome back, students. In this question, we are given while Ti3 plus, these are some ions, okay, Ti3 plus, V3 plus, Fe3 plus, and cobalt 2 plus. Okay, we are given these affords a large number of tetrahedral complexes while Cr3 plus doesn't have any. Okay, so we have to give the reason for this. Okay, so first of all, note that crystal field stabilization energy in octahedral as compared to tetrahedral, Cr3 plus system plays a deciding role. Okay, so whether the compound will be octahedral or tetrahedral, it can be decided by crystal field stabilizing energy, that is CFSE. Okay, so this energy plays a vital role in deciding whether this compound will be octahedral or tetrahedral. Okay, so how we'll find this? Now note that chromium 3 plus, if you just find out the atomic number of chromium, it comes out to be scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium. Okay, that means 24. So its atomic number comes out to be 24. Okay, and there is a 3 plus charge over here. That means it will have 3 electrons, right? Because it already have 2 electrons in the s orbital and 4 electron more, so there will be total 6 electrons, but 3 electrons are being taken out. That is why it is having 3 plus charge. So total of 3 electrons will be there. Okay, so these 3 electrons will be present in the 3D subshell. Okay, in the 3D subshell. Now in the octahedral field, the valence shell electron configuration becomes T2G 3 and Eg0. Okay, so if I draw a octahedral complex, then the configuration becomes T2G3 and Eg0 for 3 electrons, right? So I can calculate the crystal field stabilization energy. So it comes out to be 3 times of 4 dq. Okay, because in T2G the energy is 4 dq. Okay, so it comes out to be 12 dq, right? Now if I draw the tetrahedral complex of this, Cr3 plus, if I draw the tetrahedral one, then the configuration would become Eg2 and T2G1, right? So if now I calculate the crystal field stabilization energy, it comes out to be 2 times of 6 dq. Okay, because in Ag there it is 6, and 1 times of 4 dq, right? So in total it comes out to be 8 dq. Okay, now you know that you can see that the crystal field stabilization energy for octahedral complexes is high as compared to tetrahedral. So Cr3 plus will only form the octahedral complexes, not the tetrahedral ones. Okay, that's it. Thank you.